So in this video, you'll learn how to change the SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So if you want to change the SIM pin, all you need to do is simply open Settings, then tap on Connections. Select SIM Manager, then look for More SIM Settings and tap on it. Choose the option SIM Card Security, and then choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 for which SIM pin you want to change. So the first step in order for you to change the SIM pin is to ensure that you have it enabled. And once it's been turned on, then select the option Change SIM Card Pin, and then enter in your current pin and tap on OK, and then enter in your new pin and tap on OK and enter it in again to confirm it. And once you've done that, your SIM pin will be changed successfully. So simply remember the SIM pin that you've just entered in so that you don't have any troubles accessing any of the SIM card settings on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.